Welcome back to Prep Home. Today we're diving into 10 of the most innovative kitchen gadgets on Amazon that will completely transform the way you cook in 2025. From smart stirrers that save your arms, to comma-packed choppers that slice prep time in half, these tools are designed to make your kitchen life easier, faster, and way more fun. All the product links are in the description, so let's jump right in. Meet the kitchen buddy you never knew you needed, the SSAKI Automatic Pot Stirrer. Imagine simmering soup, sauce, or risotto without babysitting the stove. Its genius? It rotates on its own, keeping food moving so nothing sticks or burns. Plus, it's USB rechargeable, so no fuss with batteries. Perfect for multitasking home chefs or busy parents juggling 100 things. Picture this. You're prepping salad while your sauce stirs itself. Bonus twist, this gadget even frees you up to sip wine while cooking. Say hello to guilt-free crispiness with the Ninja Crispy Air Fryer. This powerhouse combines air frying and reheating magic in one sleek device, cutting oil use by up to 75%. The real win? Food comes out crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Busy professionals, college students, or families who crave healthier meals will love it. Imagine tossing in frozen fries and pulling out golden perfection in minutes. Bonus perk, it doubles as a reheater that revives pizza to its original glory. If chopping onions makes you cry, the Geetle Food Chopper might just save your sanity. This hand-powered gadget delivers super speed chopping without electricity, slicing veggies, nuts, or even herbs in seconds. Dishwasher safe, it's designed for hassle-free cleanup. Ideal for meal preppers, small kitchens, or campers who want portable convenience. Picture whipping up a fresh salsa in less than a minute, no tears involved. Fun twist, it's oddly satisfying to pull the cord and watch everything whirl like a mini tornado. Avocado toast lovers, this one's for you. The OXO Avocado Slicer is the ultimate all-in-one tool that splits, pits, and slices avocados in seconds. No more dangerous knife slips or messy scooping. Its clever design removes the pit safely and creates uniform slices with one smooth motion. Great for brunch fanatics, health-conscious snackers, or anyone who just can't resist guacamole. Picture yourself hosting a party and serving Instagram-worthy avocado toast in half the time. Bonus twist, it doubles as a conversation starter when guests see it in action. Ready to level up your steak game? The OXO Meat Tenderizer brings both flat and textured surfaces in one tool, so you can pound chicken for cutlets or tenderize tougher cuts of beef like a pro. Its ergonomic grip makes it easy on your hands, even during marathon meal prep. Perfect for home chefs who love experimenting with different cuisines or families who want restaurant-style meals at home. Imagine transforming an inexpensive cut of meat into a juicy, flavorful masterpiece. Fun twist, it's also fantastic for crushing nuts or candy for desserts. Smoothies on the go? Yes, please. The BlendJet is a compact, cordless blender that fits right in your bag and charges via USB-C. It can handle smoothies, shakes, or even baby food in seconds, no kitchen required. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts, commuters, or travelers who want healthy options anywhere. Picture blending a fresh protein shake right at your desk, or whipping up margaritas at a picnic. Bonus twist, it cleans itself. Just add water and soap, press blend, and you're done. It's portable power at its finest. If dessert is your love language, the Ninja Swirl will speak straight to your heart. This clever gadget whips up soft-serve ice cream, milkshakes, and sorbets at the touch of a button. With customizable mix-ins, you can swirl in cookies, fruit, or even candy for a personalized treat. Families with kids or sweet-toothed foodies will absolutely adore it. Imagine surprising your friends with homemade Oreo soft serve during movie night. Bonus twist, it's surprisingly low-calorie friendly, letting you turn frozen fruit into a guilt-free indulgence. Cheese boards just got a major glow-up. The Kitchen Dough cheese slicer uses a precision guillotine-style blade that effortlessly slices through soft or hard cheeses. Adjustable thickness gives you control, whether you want paper-thin slices for sandwiches or hearty chunks for snacking. Perfect for entertainers, cheese enthusiasts, or anyone obsessed with charcuterie boards. Picture impressing guests with perfectly uniform cheese slices at your next wine night. Fun twist besides cheese, it can handle chocolate bars too. Cleaning just got a little more fun with the OXO soap dispensing palm brush. This compact scrubber stores soap in its handle and dispenses it with a simple press, making dish duty faster and less messy. Its durable bristles tackle everything from greasy pans to delicate glassware. Ideal for apartment dwellers, busy families, or anyone who hates wrestling with sponges. Imagine tackling a sink full of dishes with one hand while holding a phone or coffee in the other. Bonus twist, it's so small, it even doubles as a travel dish brush for campers. Meet the ultimate meal prep hero, the Fullstar Veggie Chopper. With its interchangeable blades, it can dice, slice, spiralize, and chop veggies in record time. The built-in container keeps everything neat, so no more runaway onion bits across the counter. Perfect for health-focused families, meal prep enthusiasts, or anyone tired of endless knife work. Picture prepping a whole week's worth of veggies in just minutes: salads, stir-fries, and zoodles ready to go. Fun twist, it turns tedious prep into a strangely satisfying push-and-pop chopping rhythm. That wraps up the full list of credible kitchen gadgets that will seriously upgrade your cooking game in 2025. Don't forget, all product links are in the description for easy shopping and more info. If you love these picks, be sure to check out the links for even more cool tools and innovations. Thanks so much for watching Prep Home, and happy cooking.